Hey there, what's going on? My name's John Erickson. Have the hair like this now, but I'll show you my full body. We can trim it back and make it look a lot more professional if you want. Totally flexible. Thanks so much.
You just aren't understanding the back end of the game, man.
Oh yeah?
It's staggering. Far too nuanced and complex for the average mind. No offense, of course.
Oh, right. Okay.
For instance, here, get this. Let me try to explain to you why a 4 to 5 is effective against an RPO.
I'm good.
Wait, why?
I think I'll go sit next to Jerry. Looks like he's got an extra slice. I know, but you just aren't understanding the back end of the game, man.
Oh yeah?
It's staggering. Far too nuanced and complex for the average mind. No offense, of course.
Oh, right, okay.
For instance, here, get this. Let me try to explain to you why a 4-2-5 is effective against an RPO.
I'm good.
What? Oh, wait, why?
I think I'll go sit next to Jerry. Looks like he's got an extra slice.
Oh, come on. Wait, really? Pepperoni? Okay, maybe Jerry wants to know too. All right, I'm coming with you.